Hey!
Hey.
You are...
Oh, Harvard guy.
No.
Oh, sorry, MBA.
No, not your degree.
Oh, yeah, strategy consultant.
No, dude, your name.
Oh, KT. Yeah.
Here we go, yeah.
Heard you're looking for some help.
Let's get into it.
All right. Hey, so what's the problem your company is facing?
Yeah, so we're looking to cut costs this quarter.
Okay, we can definitely help you on that. So we actually run the analysis, and based on our benchmark number, your company can cut 80% of your cost.
Oh, that's great. What's the benchmarking company?
Oh, that's a confidential information, so we cannot share it. But yeah, it was great doing business with you. So good luck.
Wait, dude, you're leaving? How do I actually cut the costs?
Oh, you want to know how to cut the cost? I can definitely help you on that. You want another project, right? All right, let's get to it. Okay, so as a quick win, we're first replacing 400 American worker with 1,000 immigrant, okay? That will cut the 50% of the labor cost. Then in the next 2 years, we will move entire factory to China so that we will replace entire immigrant with 1,000 Chinese kids. That will cut another 50% of the cost. And at the end, this is the important part, we will replace 1,000 Chinese kids with 2 robots. So at the end, you'll have 0 labor cost.
Okay, first of all, we don't have any factories. And even if we did, we are so not doing that. But I'm trying to understand the bigger picture here. How do you think the Trump tariffs are going to be changing?
That is an excellent question. So it depends on Trump, but we predict that Trump tariff would either goes up or goes down.
Wow, that was so not helpful. Also, this proposal states we're going to be cutting the marketing team. Who's going to be doing the marketing then?
Another great question. We will replace with AI.
Also, this says cutting the accounting team. Who's going to do the accounting?
Oh, AI will do it.
Hey, stop. You don't understand. Employees are like my family. You don't understand how hard it is to fire them.
Oh, don't worry. We actually have AI that can help you fire people.
Dude, shut the hell up. We're paying you $2 million for this project. How do you justify any of this?
Yeah, about that. So we run the analysis and we found out you are getting paid $2 million last year. So we talked with the board and we decided to fire you.
What? But I'm the CEO. Who's gonna run this company?
AI will.
If you want to find out how AI is gonna affect your job,
come to our show. It's at the Surge next Friday, September 26th. I'll see you there.